It's a rainy day in Ackworth, Georgia, and the newest addition to the Kirby family has just arrived. This is Dixie. She's a Cavaliere King Charles Spaniel, and she likes my feet.
Dixie!
You're gonna walk away, see if she cheers.
Come here, girl.
She's how many weeks old? 7?
7 weeks.
She's 7 weeks old. She's a, as I said, she's a Cavaliere King Charles Spaniel. And
Look at you.
she was born April 25th, I believe it was.
Yes.
April 25th. We just got her today from Athens. Yes. And she is almost 2 pounds, not quite.
Dixie!
Her name's...
Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Oh, oh, you teeny.
And that's Dixie.
Yeah.